Hey babies, it's Joy Navon and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new, then welcome. So today I'm back with another natural hair video for you guys, and in this one I will be sharing how I achieved my wash and go results by using the new KeraCare collection curl essence. So if you're interested in seeing that, then let's just jump into the video. So first things first, off camera, I did go ahead and wash my hair, and to do that I used the new moisturizing shampoo and moisturizing conditioner. Now these two products in conjunction work amazing together, and I am absolutely in love with the conditioner. Especially, it did a really good job of cleansing my scalp and making my hair really soft. I'm not sure if you can tell that from this clip right here, but it is very easy to touch and detangle and all of that. Now moving on, I'm going to grab the moisturizing Coco Water. Now this is a very interesting product because in a sense it is going to replace your water in a spray bottle if you use something like that. So this water is used to refresh your hair. You can use it on a wash and go to refresh it like days after, or however you want to use it. I'm using it here just to get my hair kind of soaking wet because I will need that for this next product. So next I'm going to be using the moisturizing curling jelly, and as you can see, this consistency is a lot. It is all over the place. It is a very loose, so you definitely want to be careful when you're using this, but it did a really good job on moisturizing my hair in this wash and go state. So as you can see, I didn't really have to use any other products to get what I needed to get out of my hair. So what I'm going to do is just kind of use the shingling method like I usually do for my wash and goes. So as you can see, I'm just using the cocoa water to get my hair nice and wet, because your hair does need to be soaking wet for this gel to perform. So definitely keep that in mind as well. And I'm just going to coat my hair from root to ends with the gel like I typically would do with any other gel. So it works just like that, and as you can see, it has this kind of white consistency in the beginning, and it does dry clear, so that is not going to be in your hair after it dries, so don't be alarmed by that. I had to definitely test a couple strands or so to make sure that I wasn't bugging out the first time I used it, but it definitely does not dry like this, so don't worry about that. But this is my hair all finished, and it is ready for some drying time. And from here, I'm just going to put my blow dryer on the warm setting and allow my hair to dry. So I like using diffusers when I'm doing wash and goes instead of air drying, because obviously it cuts down drying time, but also because with a diffuser you can get direct heat to the area that needs to be dried. So now moving on to edges. This is the moisturizing healthy edges edge control, and I don't know if I mentioned this already, but all of the ingredients in this collection does have Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil in it. But yes, so I'm going to be using this on my edges, and as you can see, it definitely performed. It did what it was supposed to do. It laid down my edges, and that is pretty much the end of this journey. So you guys can see my results. It is nice and healthy looking. My hair looks so thick and full, and it definitely feels super thick and full. This is definitely the healthiest that my hair has been in a very long time in general, so I am just very happy about that. You guys know that I have definitely been rocking protective styles lately, so it is nice when I take them out and I can actually see my growth and see how my hair is doing. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to leave me a thumbs up. Definitely comment down below on this video. Follow me on Instagram at joynavon. Follow KeraCare on Instagram as well at KeraCare Official. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.